Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome back to the Breastfeeding Den. Today, we're going to talk about a pumping hack that most moms don't know about but have all the materials in the house for. So you guys gotten home from the hospital and your pumping bra hasn't arrived yet, or you haven't ordered one yet because you're not going back to work for a while, but you need to pump. Well, you brought home some extra mesh panties, so you'll need 2 pairs of those, a pair of scissors, and your pump parts. The first thing you're going to do is cut out the crotch. Now, there are multiple styles of mesh panties, so if you have a crotch that sticks out, you'll want to cut the whole thing off. If you have a crotch like these, which are pretty smooth, you can just cut along the seam on both pairs. Right. Once you have the crotch cut out, you're going to take your mesh panties one at a time and you're going to put them on your body. What you're going to want to do is put it so that one pair has the band down and one pair has the band up. So that when you put them on, the band is holding the bottom part and the panties are going over your breasts, nice and flat. And then you get the next pair. We're also going to put those on. Get the band facing at the top end on this one, and then smooth it out so it's nice and soft and comfortable on your body. Once you're all situated, you're going to very carefully grab your scissors. You're going to pull it away from your body a little bit and carefully cut a hole for your flange. And do the same thing on both sides. You make sure you pull away so you don't actually hurt yourself. And then, if need to, you can stretch a little bit. Take your flange, stick it through the hole, and then do the same thing on the other side. Get your flange, stretch your hole a little bit so it fits, stick it through, and now you have a super soft, hands-free pumping bra, so you don't have to sit here and hold your flanges. You can feed yourself some dinner, you can have a drink, and relax while the pump does its job. And it's super soft and comfortable, and it didn't cost you anything. We hope that was helpful. We'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Please make sure to subscribe, and also check in with us on Facebook and Instagram at the BF Den.